In today's episode of Internship Diaries, बहुत सारे fun and frustrating moments होने वाले हैं as I'm working on the first task of my remote internship, where I am a legal research intern at the NGO, and here we go in. Hi, hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Gargi, and I just completed my first year at law school this May, and I am currently on my internship break, which is also my summer break. And I am currently interning at an NGO, which is MJRC, Maharashtra Judicial Reforms Council, under the NJRs, which is National Judicial Reforms Council, and it's a remote and flexi work. So that's a small liberty that I get on my part, and I can get to work at my own time. So anyways, let's get started. And so the day जो जब मैं record कर रही थी particular दिन, I woke up around 8 o'clock and did my morning rituals, walk, stretching, shower, and a bit of work जो मुझे करना था. Post which I went ahead to my tiffin, which was पनीर मटर की सब्ज़ी, चपाती एंड आमरस. एंड मैंने उसके बाद चाय भी बनाई थी, बिकॉज चाय के बिना मेरा प्रोसेसिंग थोड़ा अभी स्लो हो रहा है. आई हैव टू गेट बैक ऑन दैट. तो द टी वाज प्रीटी हॉट, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, एंड मैं कब पी नहीं पाती, तो आई पैक्ड इट एंड गॉट इट इन माई टम्बलर. The next thing on my to-do list was to clear my study table because वो बहुत ज़्यादा messy हो गया था. तो that is exactly what I did before doing the final thing, which was getting ready, like doing the makeup. तो सबसे पहले मैंने मेरा study table clear किया and मेरा tiffin भर दिया. So once I cleared my desk, I was free to get ready, like do the makeup. So I went ahead and started doing my no makeup look, which is basically just very simple eyebrow pencil, kajal, eyeliner, lip balm या मेरी जो PH वाली लिपस्टिक है, and if at all if there's something important, lip gloss. But इस केस में मैंने नहीं लगाया था because I just didn't want lip gloss on my lips at that point of time. But this is my basic normal makeup that I do usually, unless and until there is some event and मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सच के जाना है वहाँ पे, I keep it to this much only, and that is exactly what is my makeup look. It is currently 1:38 actually, not even 1:30. I just finished writing my script, which I have to record in my internship diary, my part of the whole script of the reel. And I'm practicing that. I was practicing that. I will practice that for a few more minutes before I go down and take the final shot there. I did not forget, I kept my tripod, ring light tripod back home because that is too heavy to carry. So I'm going to make a human tripod today and going to use that for shooting the final shot of the reel. And once that is done, I am going to come up, have my lunch, which I packed today morning, which was paneer ki sabzi and chapati and amras. So that is the update. I had my tea when I came here, so that is done. And it's not raining right now, so it's the perfect weather to actually take a final shot for the reel. So that is exactly what I will be doing in a couple of minutes, and I'm preparing for that as well. And then I'll see you guys. So I'm doing one mic test, rough mic testing. Let's see how it goes. It's mic cum mirror test. So I have a mirror here in front, and that is exactly what I will be doing, looking in the mirror and talking. So that is the plan. Let's go. So what was supposed to be a mic and mirror try, yeah, test, ended up becoming 3 to 4 tests like that, and it was getting frustrating after a point of time क्योंकि कभी मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ नहीं है कि मेरे हाथ में माइक है एंड मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अननेसेसरी ब्रेक्स ले रही हूँ या बहुत ज़्यादा I had no idea what was happening at that point of time. हाथ में माइक था, I was talking, मेरी स्क्रिप्ट रेडी थी, Without the mic I was doing flawlessly, but with the mic पता नहीं कुछ तो ऐसे चुभ रहा था जैसे it was not working out properly, and that was giving me some sort of stress at that point of time क्योंकि वो एक work commitment था मेरा. So I have tried doing it a couple of times and I'm fumbling. Without mic I am doing flawlessly. With this mic I don't know, there's something that's stopping me बीच में. I have, it's hard to explain, but I have put the mic here so that my hands are free so that I can talk like this. Just so that, let's see if this is what was stopping. I'm going to give it one more try. I hope this works. I really hope this works because I need to get this done. It's a work commitment, guys. I have to get this done. मैं ऐसे नहीं कर सकती. This is a side of content creation people don't see. Anyway, let's go. So after a point of time of doing these mic and mirror tests, I got my brain to a point of understanding that अभी अगर मैं नीचे नहीं उतरी और मैंने अगर माइक हाथ में लेके शूटिंग नहीं चालू की तो ये शाम तक चलता रहेगा एंड परफेक्शन नहीं आएगी. And not everything comes with perfection. You need to sometimes get on the field, start doing it, and then you might get what you want, जो तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस में नहीं आ सकता. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तुम उसमें शायद नहीं आ सकता. एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली आई थिंक दैट वाज stopping me. So anyways I went down and I started taking the shots जो चाहिए थे, and Swati Kaki helped me a lot in this. Thank you so much ताई Sartu Baktir. Swati Kaki Sartu Baktir, thank you so much for helping me that day. It was a genuine need at that point of time, and she stayed after work also. So thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. So this was where the last final shot was being shot. जो shoot कर रही थी, it was the last and final shot. And उसके बाद में I reviewed all of them just to see if everything was perfect. And trust me guys, everything was ended up becoming so perfect in the video, in the final shot, कि कभी कभी लग रहा था मुझे उसके बाद में कि मैं फालतू का टेंशन ले रही थी, बट वो टेंशन आ जाता है when you are actually doing the work. That tension comes sometimes, and that is exactly what happened with me now that I look back. तो इस सब के बाद में I took a small break, had lunch, and then I went ahead and attended my securities law का IPO का lecture, and that is what I was doing here. So hello people, good evening. It is around 7:20 right now, and I just a couple of minutes ago I wrapped up with my second lecture of securities law course. So I had taken it long back. I completed watching them live as well, but I was not able to make notes back in March because of a very tight schedule that I was in second semester. So that is exactly what I'm doing right now, making notes and understanding the concepts once again, because I am on a practical 1 month break and internship is also going on. So this is what exactly I am doing. And as for cyber law, I couldn't find the reading material, the lecture that happened, so I could not attend that and watch that and make notes of that. But I will attend the live lectures this weekend, so that is not an issue. Apart from that, I spent the afternoon doing my internship work. Then I sat down to make these notes, and though it doesn't look that intense, but today was very intense and work-wise very exhaustive, even if there was no traveling, practical traveling in it. I will be working on the voiceovers and editing of the mini vlogs of South India Diary Chalo Pork chapter, and that is something that I want to do before I leave. And before I leave, maybe while having lunch, dinner, or whatever, but before I leave. And then there's one more task on my to-do list which I have to do when I go back home. So that is the plan for now, and I'll take you guys along with me, so stick in and let's go. So once I got back home, I had got lychees the day prior to that from Crawford Market, because मैं कुछ काम के लिए गई थी, वहाँ पे मुझे बहुत अच्छे lychees मिले थे. तो I bought them and I had them that night because बहुत ज़्यादा craving हो गई थी, and this was the first lychees of this season that I had, and in a very long time I had them. So I got around 1 kg of lychees, around 58, 59 lychees I think, and none of them had even one kida in them, not even one worm in them. And they were tasting so sweet and so tasty, absolutely amazing. I just loved it. Also, वो जो हेड नॉट था मेरा, दैट वाज बेसिकली ना मेरे कि मुझसे 300 रुपये पानी में नहीं गए हैं. आई यूज देम वेरी वेरी यूजफुल वे ऑफ गेटिंग. That's it for this one, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, take care, bye bye, and do leave a like if you guys like it, and also suggestions for future videos.